Hello, welcome to Ndi Estates Enugu branch, and I'm here today to inspect the Akuchinyere property, the Akuchinyere Ndi Estates properties. This property was announced on a promo sale for just 8 million naira. What did I say? Just 8 million naira. And now, after the promo sale, after the promo window, that same property is 25 million naira cap. This is one of the magics of Ndi Estates and Properties Limited, and I am just here to announce to the world that you are secured to invest your funds with Ndi Estates and Properties Limited, because the land banking that is happening here, the land flipping that is multiplying your funds, is second to none. So keep following me, keep joining me as I bring you all the latest offers that Ndi Estates and Properties has to offer. This is the Enugu branch. There are many estates right here in Enugu, in Nike, in the Coal City Alliance, and elsewhere. And I'll be bringing you these deals one after the other. Thank you and God bless you. I still remain your own faithfully Chukwemeka Ujemba Ndi IGBO, and I'm here in Ndi Estates and Properties. Thank you and God bless. We are right here at Akuchinyere Ndi Estates and Properties Limited. Akuchinyere Ndi Estates. This is a perfect investment destination for you. Are you Ndi IGBO at home? Are you Ndi IGBO in diaspora and you are watching this video? Take this opportunity. Take this opportunity today and invest in this land. The price here is 25 million naira. It was just 8 million naira promo price, but the window has closed and you did not get the information. This is the time I believe that the people that are making the most money are the people with information. So keep following this page for more informations about Ndi Estates and Properties. Thank you and God bless.